Struggling with secure boot not working even though it's enabled? Don't worry, you're just a few clicks away from a solution. First, make sure your system meets the basics. BIOS mode set to UEFI, drive partitioned as GPT, and TPM 2.0 is enabled. You can check these in Windows using MSINFO32 and disk management. If your drive is MBR, back up your data, you'll need to convert it to GPT. Ready? Restart your PC and tap Delete to enter the BIOS. Switch to Advanced mode with F7. Now, head to the Boot tab and disable CSM support. Think of CSM as training wheels that need to come off for secure boot to work. Save and re-enter BIOS. Next, under Secure Boot, change the mode to Custom, then restore factory keys. Switch back to Standard mode, ensure Secure Boot is enabled, and save. Boot into Windows and check MSINFO32. Secure Boot should now say On. If something goes wrong, just re-enable CSM or visit Gigabyte support.